Hey everyone, and welcome. Let me ask you a quick question. What's the first thing you do when you open your computer? For a lot of us, it's checking our email. But what does that usually involve? You open your browser, click to open a new tab, type in gmail.com, hit enter, and then wait for it to load. It's not a huge deal, but those little seconds add up every single day. What if I told you that you could open Gmail with a single click, right from your taskbar, just like any other app on your computer? Well, you can. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This simple trick will make accessing your email faster and make Gmail feel like a dedicated desktop app. It's super easy, and it'll only take about a minute. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. This method works best in Chrome, but it's very similar in Microsoft Edge if you use that instead. Now, just go to Gmail like you normally would. In the address bar, type gmail.com and press enter. If you are using Chrome, simply click on the word Gmail. Make sure you're signed into your account. Okay, once your inbox is loaded, we're going to create a special shortcut. Go to the top right corner of Chrome and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. From the menu that appears, scroll down and click Cast, Save, and Share. And from the side menu that appears, click Install Page as App. And, from the pop-up window that will appear, click on the Install button. Finally, you'll see a notification from Windows asking if you want to pin Gmail to the taskbar. Just click Yes. And that's it. Let's test it out. I'll close the Gmail window. And now, for the moment of truth. One single click on our new taskbar icon. Perfect. Instant access to your email, anytime. How easy was that? So there you have it. In just a few simple clicks, your Gmail is no longer buried inside a browser tab. It's now a standalone app, sitting right on your taskbar, ready whenever you need it. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your daily workflow. If this tip helped you out, do me a huge favor and click that like button down below. It really helps the channel grow. And if you know someone else who's constantly opening and closing browser tabs just for Gmail, share this video with them. For more simple and effective tech tutorials just like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.